Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. And today our question is, what is the area of the circle? Now we're provided with some information. We're told that B to C is 11 centimeters. We're told that the angle CAB is 9 times smaller than the angle CBA. So let's see what we can do with that. So if we make this x, then this must be 9x. And there's one other thing that we need to be aware of. This, and this point touch the rim of the circle. They touch the circumference. And this line passes through the center of the circle there. It's a diameter. Now, the laws of circle theorems tell us that that is 90 degrees. So what we have is we have 10x equals 90 degrees. Now, if we apportion that out, that's 9 degrees for here, and 9 nines are 81 degrees for there. And that all works out really, really neatly. So, what can we do with this? Now, let's not lose sight of the fact that we're looking for the area of a circle. So we need to find this length here from B to the center of this circle, or A to the center of this circle. Now, we have quite a bit of information. Let's draw it in here. And let's just make sure that we get everything round the right way. So that is C. That is B, and that is 11, and that is A, and that is 9 degrees. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this line here. Okay, so what have we got? Well, we've got an opposite, a hypotenuse, and an angle. So we're looking for a sine. So the sine of 9 degrees is going to be equal to opposite 11 over x. Now we can rewrite that as x is going to equal 11 on the sine of 9 degrees. And it's time for a calculator. So let's see what that is. We're trying to find this length, which corresponds to this length here. Okay, so what is it? 11 divided by the sine of 9 degrees. And that is that number there. Can you see that? 70.316. Now that tells us what that is. I'll just make a quick note of that. 70.32 we'll say. Now I'm going to halve that. And that is our radius. So let's get some space on here. R is equal to 35.15849272. We'll be as accurate as we can. Now we're going to square that. So r squared is equal to 1236.11961. Got all that? So there we are. You can see hopefully there the light's not, just got to get that so that the light isn't falling on it too badly. There we are. Okay, so we multiply that by pi. And pi r squared is equal to 3883.38, we will say, centimeters squared. That is the area of the circle, and that is how you do it. So just to recap, we had a ratio here It's of no use to us unless we know what this angle is. We find this angle by applying circle theorem. Then the next thing is we need to find this length. Now we can do that because we know that this angle is 9 degrees. We know that that length is 11. The sine of 9 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, 11 over x, a little bit of rearranging. We get a value for that, we halve it, and we get approximately 35 centimetres. Square it, we get somewhere around 1200 centimetres. Multiply it by pi, and we get 3,883.38 centimetres squared. And that is our answer, and that is how you do it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.